Nandigram in East Midnapur of West Bengal is burning again. It is part of the Tamluk Lok Sabha seat going to cast its vote in 2 days. Tomorrow is the voting. The return of political violence in Nandigram right before the elections is a repetition of what happened in 2021. A 50-year-old BJP supporter and her son along with 6 others were injured on Wednesday night violence. In the Wednesday night violence that has once again split open the fault lines of political divide in the area. Ritik Mondol reports.
Violence, burning shops, police beating up protesting villagers. Eerily similar to the 2 decades back situation that Nandigram witnessed. The left was in power and Trinamool Congress was the rising people's voice that time. On 14th of March 2007, 14 people lost their lives when the police opened fire at a gathering of protesters in Nandigram. It became the cradle of TMC's anti-land grab agitation and Mamata Banerjee's rise to power. 17 years later, tables have turned and now the TMC has been in power and is being put on notice for allegedly torturing Nandigram villagers. A 50-year-old woman and her son, both BJP supporters, were attacked in Nandigram. Rathi Bala Adi died while her son is critically injured. Several others were also injured in the clash between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP. The clash happened on the 22nd night.
দৃষ্টান্তমূলক যাতে শাস্তি পায়, দোষীরা যাতে সাজা পায়, সেটাই আমি চাই।
BJP's leader of opposition in West Bengal and Nandigram MLA Suvendu Adhikari took to social media and blamed the TMC for the barbaric murder and called the accused jihadis.
ঘটনা আমি ভোর 4টে থেকে সারা রাত্রি না ঘুমিয়ে মনিটরিং করে 7টার মধ্যে সঞ্জয়কে ভর্তি করিয়ে দিয়েছি কলকাতার হসপিটালে। বদলা নেবেন না, ভোট খুব সুন্দর হবে। অলরেডি প্যারামিলিটারি ভাজা চাউলি কুমিরদায় ঢুকে গেছে, আজকের রাত্রির পরে আরো ঢুকবে, কালকের পরে ছাউনি হবে, বুথে বুথে প্যারামিলিটারি, সব অঞ্চলে কুইক রেসপন্স টিম। একটিও গুন্ডামি করলে লাঠৌষধ রেডি আছে, লাঠৌষধ রেডি আছে।
Despite the BJP leader's appeal, villagers in Nandigram were out on the streets protesting, burning shops and tires. Security forces deployed along with the police lathi charged the protesters. The incident sparked a blame game, with the BJP accusing the TMC of orchestrating the attack and the ruling party denying the allegations.
They are fighting between old and new BJP, सबको पता है। नंदीग्राम में इसका ही नतीजा निकला, एक औरत को मार दिया गया और तृणमूल को मेलाइन करने के लिए तृणमूल के ऊपर ब्लेम दिया जा रहा है। जो पार्टी अपना काम के लिए पूरा स्टेट का समर्थन मिलने का बारे में 100% कॉन्फिडेंट है, आने वाला चुनाव में जीतने का बारे में 100% कॉन्फिडेंट है, वो हुलिगनिज्म में पथ में नहीं चलता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिसको मालूम है आने वाला चुनाव में 25 तारीख सिर्फ नंदीग्राम या तमलुक नहीं पूरा बंगाल में हारने वाला है, वो ऐसे करके अटेंशन को डेविएट करके पॉलिटिकल फायदा लेने का कोशिश कर रहा है।
Wednesday night's incident came hours after the TMC's National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee held a meeting in Nandigram where he targeted Suvendu Adhikari. Suvendu Adhikari quit the TMC and joined the BJP and won the Nandigram seat in 2021 by a margin of 1,956 votes. Abhishek Banerjee alleged Adhikari's win was powered by electoral malpractice. Nandigram is under the Tamluk Lok Sabha seat that goes to polls on Saturday.
Situation is simmering and boiling. Clashes erupted between TMC and BJP, killing one woman supporter of Bharatiya Janata Party, following which additional paramilitary forces have been called in. But since 2007, a lot of time has flown down in past few decades. But seemingly, violence and politics remain unchanged in Nandigram. With video journalist Probir Bishwas, this is Viktik for India Today.